This is my breakfast today. I want to do Zamorano. Try the Zamorano. First one. I did old video for Zamorano. This is I want to give one more chance for Zamorano. Super red. Seven ounce. 17.8. Wow, this is tasty fruit. We'll see Zamorano how it tastes today. I don't need a big one because I'm gonna try more variety. It's sweet. I like the taste today. Better than last time. Really. I wonder why. Sometimes it's different. This is from different tree, Zamorano, different location. Maybe that affect the taste. The sun, the shade, a lot of things. Yeah, this is better than last time from Zamorano. Makisuba. I want to try Makisuba now. It's 1 pound. Good size fruit. Beautiful color. Look, Makisuba. Wow. This is magenta, I think. I don't know how it looks like in the camera, but it's beautiful. There's mixed a little bit of pink and purple. Yeah, beautiful color. Box score. 19.1. Oh my God, very sweet, I like it. Wow. This is my second year. Last year, I don't like it at all. I say I want to give her one more year to try it. This year is totally, it's like a different fruit. It tastes super good, super nice. Wow, there's no acidity. It's sweet. Really, really good fruit. I don't expect that. Because this year I say I want to give her one more chance. It's look like, yes, don't judge your plant from the first year. When the root, they have a mature root and everything. It's a big plant now. It's gonna give you good size fruit, and really the taste is way different. I like it. This one I gonna keep. Last year I say I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't like it. Yeah, but this year I'm gonna keep it. This is a nice fruit. Lavern red. I'm gonna try this now. 1.6, nice, good size fruit. Look at this way. Wow! Look how beautiful. This is a beautiful fruit. Yeah, just to let you know, guys, it says Lavern red, but it's not super red. Look, the red, compare. Yeah, it's Lavern red, but it's more pinkish. 19.3. 19.3. Very sweet. Very sweet, delicious fruit. Yeah, this is delicious fruit. Wow, amazing. Yeah, it's sweet and nice, very nice fruit. I like the taste, really I like it. Yes, everybody should have this Laverne. Beautiful fruit. I know they are sweet, but I want to try sugar dragon again. It's a small fruit. The tree is heavy produce. You're gonna have flower, buds, fruit. Sugar dragon. Sugar dragon, small fruit. Let's try. Let's see the Brexit score. Eighteen point five. 18.5. Sugar dragon, one of the favorite. It's a small, but tasty. Wow, like eating sugar. Very super sweet. I love it. Voodoo child. Last time Voodoo child is more sweet than sugar dragon. Let's see this one. They are close to each other. It's hard to tell. Let's see. Eighteen point eight. Yes, we tried Makisuba, Lavern red, Voodoo child, sugar dragon. I hope you enjoy my video. I'm gonna taste all the variety one by one. As soon as I have anything to taste, I'm gonna taste it. Don't judge about the sugar content. It's good. It's okay to know how much sugar on it, but all of them, they are sweet and tasty. Beautiful fruit. Yeah, they are so nice and tasty. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos, please. If you need any cutting, just let me know. Check my eBay store and you can order from there. Thank you for watching again.